Jade and Lena presents shit about Jade and Lena. Well, let's see, where do we begin? First, we love boys forever and ever. We love Amp and Pixie Sticks, drugs and hugs. Well, screw the hugs. Let's just get the drugs. This is why we're hot. This happens to be why you're not, because we fly high. Duh. I think I spelled duh wrong. Can you spell duh wrong? I don't know. I'm killing trees. I'm very sorry, trees. I love everybody. Well, I love you. And your mom. Yep, that's right, I love your mom too. I also love trees. So for that reason, I say farewell. Have a good night. Sleep tight. Bye-bye. The end.